Watch your feet, watch your feet. Coming down. All right. They're racks, so let's put them against the yellow pillars for now.
I got you. Joel, hold them like that. Don't go sideways. I don't think we should go sideways.
You good?
Down.
You good? What's up with it? Somebody call me?
Oh, okay. Just
What's up?
Can you put it like...
Oh, okay. You ready to grab this?
Yeah, we got it.
Hey, as soon as he get this pallet jack off, we gonna move this truck in, and we'll
Finally,
pallet
we're
jack
in
and
charge
out
of
the
use.
go. 1, 2, 3, come.
Behind us?
We'll do a 4 square. We're right here. Put 2, put y'all's right next to that one, yours right next to this one. And then we'll do another set right here.
This is the Clutch Player Award. Somebody describe that to me.
Somebody who works all around the board, helps everyone out.
That's an awesome definition. So, Steven, would you stand up? Come up here and get this. Absolutely. Can we have a Sharpie? Let's get this done.
We all got Sharpies.
We all got Sharpies.
Remember that? Those are the taller ones.
Just watch your step, please. We should get the red cart. I don't know, but can you get a dolly too?
Other way.
Yeah, hey Johnny, can I send you guys on a quest for red cart and dolly? Z's? Dollysies? Keep coming?
Hey, John, I don't mean to be any inconvenience. Yeah, you mind sliding that out the way? Because we about to put some racks up. Thank you.
Here, I'm gonna hand it to him.
Got it? Right here.
Right there?
He said, hold on, right here. You got it?
Yep. Am I going over there with Bill?
Yeah.
You good, bro.
My name is Carrie. I have been with Dunn for about 3 years, and I am the scheduling coordinator. I answer the phones. I schedule everything from the beginning to the end of the move. I'm kind of like the mom to the guys. I'm the first contact when they come in looking for a job, so I'm the first person who speaks to them. I'm the first person who interviews them, and then it's just sort of the camaraderie, the support, you know. I'd say that's what it is. I bring them candy. I just cheer them on from the background. You know, I try to keep them going.
The customer is on a cruise. The only way to reach her is by text, but she has said, please text me if there are questions. So that is it for today, you guys. I know it's a little bit unorthodox, but we'll all get through it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, look at this.
Want it?
Hey, this is...
One second before you start though.
You want to? Yeah, we're good for. Let's put on the wall.
All right, my name is CJ Fields, another day with Dose. Right now we're doing a move for a commercial unit. We're doing warehouse and office. Today is day 3 of 3. As you can see, this is all of the previous 2 days, and this is all of today. We have some other guys at the previous unit right now, going to get the rest of the stuff, just some small miscellaneous stuff, because we were postponed on that due to them having classes. Everything's shaking right now. I got a strong crew with me today, which is why we're able to get all this stuff in so quickly. I got Michael, Jay, Jordan, Steven, Kiwi, Eddie, Brandon, Derek, man, the list goes on. Probably say we're about 50% through the total unload, not through the move, but through the unload. And things are looking pretty good right now. Stay tuned. Y'all don't mind.
Yeah, competition is one of those just universal laws like gravity that just has certain outcomes. You know, if you jump off a cliff, you expect something to happen, and everyone knows that's going to happen, and everyone understands that. But competition is every bit as real, but not as well understood or accepted. The great thing about competition, it forces you into a situation where you get immediate feedback. If you shoot a free throw, you get immediate feedback. If it hits the front of the rim, you know you have to throw it harder next time. You know right away. And we kind of take that for granted. We don't get that kind of feedback in a lot of areas of life, making it hard to improve. But when you're in a competition of some sort, whether it's a sport or a business, you get that kind of feedback. And that allows you to assess yourself and to improve yourself. So moving is a very competitive industry because there's a low barrier to entry. And so these guys and us as a company, us individually, we're in a situation where we know, we get really direct market feedback or feedback from customers, and we know if we did a good job or not. We usually know where we need to improve or where we fell short. And that is an environment that, frankly, not everybody is suited for necessarily, because it can be very brutal. It's brutal, honest feedback. You know right away, like, hey, I'm not good at this, and I've got to get better at this. And that can be tough for people. But if you're in a position where you're trying to improve yourself and you're trying to succeed, it's gold. It's exactly what you want. Because one of the biggest challenges to success is getting the feedback, knowing how do I improve, how do I succeed. So you put anybody, you put me, you put someone out of high school trying to start off their lives, you put anyone in an environment like that. You watch our crews and our guys, and they're like little army platoons. They're just really, they're in the trenches together, and they really know each other, they love each other, they support each other, they know where the struggles are for each other, and they help hold each other accountable.
She was a modern-day gypsy when she stumbled into town. She had some tricks up her sleeve, and she took my heart and disappeared.